Alright, here's another video. If you're having trouble with the line plots lesson, this is another guide so that you can get through it a little bit quicker, but I've been watching and I've noticed that these are some of the questions that a lot of people are missing, so I want to go over these quick. It says, use your line plot to answer the question below. Hot chocolate mix. 2 people use 1/4 tablespoon, 1 person used 2/4 tablespoon or 1/2. 3 people used 3/4 tablespoon and 1 person used 1 whole tablespoon. How many mugs have more than 1/4 of a tablespoon but less than 1 tablespoon of hot chocolate mix? So it doesn't say how many people or how many mugs are filled with 1/4 and more. We don't include the 1/4 because it's more than 1/4. And then less than 1 tablespoon. Not 1 tablespoon, but less than that. So in the middle here of 1/4 and 1, we see that there are 4 people. So 4 mugs. The next question says, use your line plot to answer the question below. We're talking about amount of melted yellow wax. Okay? And so how much more yellow wax was used in the candle jar with the most yellow wax than in the candle jar with the least yellow wax? We can tell right here by this phrase that we're going to be doing an operation. And we know what operation it's going to be. How much more means that we're trying to find the difference. So that means we're going to be subtracting. And the cup with the most was 1. And the cup with the least is 1/4 here. So that means we're going to be taking 1 minus, I need to use my finger, 1/4. Okay? Now, some of us could do that in our brain, but we may need to change one of these to look like the other. I'm going to change the 1 and I'm going to make it into a fraction. And we know that fractions equal 1. They have the same numerator and the same denominator. And this time I use fourths because the other fraction is using fourths as well. Then I can subtract and easily find my answer. So the difference between the two is 3/4 cup. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.